This has already happened twice already, I think. Some crazy people.
Yes.
Let's see if I can get a close-up. Oh, it's just that. Some crazy people have decided to jump off the water. No, he's not jumping! Wait, he's jumping on the other side? No, he's not jumping at all. I am very sad now. Very sad. I want to see him jump. Two people, a young guy and a geezer, jumped off already. Oh man, I'm too lazy to get pictures, but this guy has to jump. It was really funny, but it's not recorded. No, Dad saw this. Definitely recorded. Definitely at least. Oh, come on, hey, jump, old man, jump. Well, he's not that old, but you know, jump. You know, it's no good. Whoa. Ça va, non? Ça va? Heureusement que
oui. Ça rattrapé en plein vol. C'est pas possible, mais tu fais que des bêtises.
I know I just exploded something. He's gonna jump!
Mais qu'est-ce que tu fais là?
He jumped! I win! Okay, I'm done.